Good afternoon, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about detection of excess glucose and protein in urine. Today, we will discuss about detection of ketones, bile pigments, bile salts, urobilinogen, and blood. First of all, we will study about detection of ketones. Types of ketone bodies: acetone, acetoacetic acid, beta hydroxybutyric acids. They are products of fat metabolism. Normally, ketone bodies are not detectable in the urine of healthy persons. If energy requirements cannot be met by metabolism of glucose, then energy is derived from breakdown of ketone bodies. Excretion of ketone bodies in urine is called as ketonuria. For detection of ketone bodies, we do Rothra's test. Principle behind Rothra's test is that acetone and acetoacetic acid react with sodium nitroprusside in the presence of alkali to produce purple color. Method: we will take 5 ml of urine in a test tube and saturate it with ammonium sulfate and then add 1 crystal of sodium nitroprusside. Then slowly run the liquor ammonia along the sides of the test tube. Formation of purple red color ring at junction indicates positive Rothra's test, as you can see in the picture. Rothra's test is sensitive to 1 to 5 mg per dl of acetoacetate and 10 to 25 mg dl of acetone. Other tests for detection of ketone bodies are acid test, tablet test, ferric chloride test, also known as Gerhardt test, reagent strip method. Causes of ketonuria are diabetic and non-diabetic. Most important cause is diabetes. Non-diabetic causes are high fever, starvation, severe vomiting, diarrhea, and glycogen storage disease. Now we will detect bilirubin in urine. For detection of bilirubin, we do Faucher's test. Principle behind Faucher's test is that bilirubin absorbs to barium chloride and results in green color formation when Faucher's reagent is added. Method for Faucher's test is: we will take 5 ml of urine and add 2.5 ml of 10% barium chloride and mix well. Then filter it to obtain the precipitate on a filter paper. After obtaining the precipitate, we will add 1 drop of Faucher's reagent to the precipitate. Development of blue-green color around the drop indicates presence of bilirubin. Other tests for bilirubin are foam test, Gamlin test, Lugol's iodine test, reagent strip with diazo reagent. Detection of urobilinogen. Detection of urobilinogen is done by Ehrlich's test. Method of Ehrlich's test is: we will take 5 ml of urine and add 0.5 ml of Ehrlich's reagent. Allow it to stand for 5 minutes. Development of pink color indicates normal amount of urobilinogen and dark red color means increased amount of urobilinogen. You can see in the picture. Causes of urobilinogen in urine are hemolytic jaundice, early hepatitis, hepatocellular jaundice. Bile salts. Bile salts are along with bilirubin can be detected in urine in cases of obstructive jaundice. The test used for their detection is Hayes surface tension test. The property of bile salts to lower the surface tension is utilized in this test. We will take 5 ml of urine and sprinkle a pinch of sulfur particles. If bile salt is present, sulfur particles will sink to the bottom because bile salts lower the surface tension of urine. Now, detection of blood in urine. We will do benzidine test for detection of blood in urine. The peroxidase activity of hemoglobin decomposes hydrogen peroxidase, releasing nascent oxygen, which in turn oxidizes benzidine to give blue color. Method: take 1 ml of benzidine solution with 1 ml of hydrogen peroxide in a test tube and mix it well. Take 2 ml of urine and add 2 ml of mixture. A blue or green color within 5 minutes indicates positive reaction. Causes of hematuria are diseases of urinary tract such as glomerular diseases such as glomerulonephritis, Buerger's disease, lupus nephritis, Henoch-Schönlein purpura. Non-glomerular diseases such as calculus, tumor infection, tuberculosis, pyelonephritis, trauma, carcinoma, prostate. Hematological conditions such as coagulation disorder and sickle cell disease. Now we will study about microscopic examination. For microscopic examination, it is a qualitative technique, and urine must be first freshly voided, examined without excessive delay in order to prevent cellular degeneration. If preservative is required, then 1 crystal of thymol or 1 drop of formalin is added to 10 ml of urine. Well mixed sample of urine is centrifuged in machine for 5 minutes at 1500 rpm. The top part, that is supernatant, is discarded. A drop of urine left at the bottom of test tube is placed on the glass slide and covered with cover slip. It is examined under high power. Red blood cells. Under microscope, normally no RBCs are found in normal urine. In urine, under microscope, the red blood cells are seen as small, smooth, yellowish, anechoic biconcave discs. 7 micrometer in diameter and isomorphic RBCs are seen in fresh urine. 9 to 10 micron diameter RBCs seen in hypertonic urine. Smaller diameter RBCs with spiky surface, that is crenated, is seen in hypertonic urine. Variable in shape and size, that is dysmorphic RBCs, are seen in glomerulonephritis. White blood cells, these are spherical and granular with visible nuclei 10 to 15 micron in size, distorted, smaller, and have fewer granules and degenerative WBCs, mainly seen in infections in clumps. Epithelial cells, they are small, polyhedral, columnar or oval, have granular cytoplasm and eccentric nucleus seen. Found in acute tubular necrosis, pyelonephritis, viral infections. Urinary cast, cylindrical aggregation of particles. These are formed in distal renal tubules and collecting dust. Urinary cast composed of a precipitation of Thom Horsfall protein. Types of urinary cast: acellular cast, that is hyaline cast, granular cast, waxy cast, fatty cast, and broad cast. Cellular casts are red cell cast, white cell cast, and epithelial cell casts. Hyaline cast, the most common type of cast is hyaline cast. They are cylindrical with parallel sides and blunt rounded end, colorless, homogeneous, and transparent, seen in fever and strenuous exercise and glomerular proteinuria. Granular cast, these are cylindrical structure with coarse or fine granules, seen in acute glomerulonephritis and pyelonephritis. Waxy cast, they have homogeneous, smooth, glassy appearance, cracked or serrated margins, and irregular, broken off ends, seen in end-stage renal failures. Fatty cast, they are cylindrical structures filled with highly refractile fat globules in Thom Horsfall protein matrix, seen in nephrotic syndrome. Broad cast, mainly form in distal and dilated distal tubules, seen in chronic renal failure and severe renal tubular obstruction, and it is associated with poor prognosis. Crystals in urine. Normal crystals in urine are crystals present in acidic urine. Uric acid crystals, these are variable in shape and are yellow-brown in color and soluble in alkali and insoluble in acid, found in gout and leukemia. Calcium oxalate crystals, these are colorless, envelope-shaped, commonly found in diets rich in tomatoes, cabbage. Large numbers are seen in ethylene glycol poisoning. Amorphous urates, these are urate salts of potassium, magnesium, or calcium in acidic urine. Crystals present in alkaline urine are calcium carbonate crystals. These are small, colorless, grouped in pair. Ammonium phosphate crystals. These are yellow-brown, cactus-like, called as thorn apple. Phosphate crystals are triple phosphates, colorless, 3 to 6 sided prism with oblique surfaces at the end. Calcium hydrogen phosphate crystals are colorless and variable shape. Amorphous phosphate crystals are colorless, small granules. Here you can see calcium oxalate crystals, triple phosphate crystals, uric acid crystals, and calcium carbonate crystals. Abnormal crystals in urine, cystine crystals, and these are colorless, clear, hexagonal, highly refractile plates soluble in hydrochloride acid, seen in cystinuria. Cholesterol crystals are colorless, refractile, flat granular plates with notched corners, seen in nephrotic syndrome and hypercholesterolemia. Bilirubin crystal, brown and variable shapes, seen in obstructive liver disease. Tyrosine crystals, clusters of fine colorless or yellow needles, seen in liver disease and tyrosinemia. Leucine crystals are refractile yellow or brown spheres with radial or concentric striation, seen in urine along with tyrosine in severe liver disease such as cirrhosis. Here you can see picture of cystine crystals, cholesterol crystals, bilirubin crystals, and leucine crystals. Thank you.